Hello, this is Dr. Stanley Lang, and welcome to this video. The subject is how to prevent diabetes, and the reason I'm talking about this is because of a patient encounter that I had today, somebody that I've been helping with a variety of different health problems for a while, but his blood sugars had been gradually creeping up, and he wasn't quite sure why, so we had to kind of dig into the different things that were going on in his life. And what had started to happen was that he was allowing more and more high glycemic carbs to creep into his diet. And this is a mistake that I see happen lots of times with patients, because they just don't have a high enough awareness of what causes the blood sugar to rise quickly, which is the definition of a high glycemic carb. So the high glycemic carbs are basically all of the grains, potatoes, rice, and sugar. And if a person will cut these foods out almost all the time, they will stop progressing towards frank diabetes. And most of the time, if they're integrated into more of a comprehensive approach, lifestyle change, they can actually reverse diabetes using these same strategies. And so we simply had a discussion about this. I told my patient, in 2 years, you will be diabetic if you don't follow this change in plans. And he was eager to do that because he doesn't want to take all the medicines associated with diabetes, nor does he want the complications associated with diabetes. So it's not easy for a lot of people to cut out all this stuff at once, but I find that it is easier to do it one meal at a time. And so my suggestion is to start with one meal breakfast, and then move on to lunch, and then move on to supper, cutting out all of the grains, potatoes, rice, and sugar. So what are the grains mainly in? Breads, pasta, crackers, cereal, pretzels. And obviously, I've just described what most people spend a lot of time eating, but it's doable. And with the new recipes that are coming out in the ketogenic community from the ketogenic diet, there's lots of ways to have these kind of foods that are sort of ketogenic lookalikes if you're willing to cook from home and be able to stop diabetes in its tracks, stop it from progressing to frank diabetes, and actually be able to reverse diabetes. So this is doable. You can do this. And if you want some help, I have a free ebook that's called Why Am I Still Fat? That will give you a lot of information on how to make this change in your life. So I encourage you to click on the link below to get that free ebook. Please subscribe to the channel, share the video, and have a great day. God bless.